I've got the brand new Ford Everest here, and these are my top 3 family friendly baby drive features. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is you can fit 5 Infasecure child seats in the back of the new Ford Everest, which is fantastic. And the boot space is big enough to fit a twin pram while you are using all 7 seats. Number 2 is there are air vents in the ceiling for both rear rows of seats, which is fantastic for keeping everyone the right temperature. And you can also control the rear climate from the front media screen, which is great. Number 3 is the storage in the front of the new Everest. There are 4 cup holders in the front, including my favourite, the dashboard cup holders that pop out of each end. There's a glasses case in the ceiling, 2 glove boxes and a hot chip holder. I have loved driving the Ford Everest with my family. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.